the narrow downturned eyes, and my client want to have foxy look which will make her eyes bigger. This is the way how I created this effect. I use M-curl, 0.07 thickness, 75% of the eye from outer corner will be 15 millimeters, and then the rest of the inner part I divided to 4 same parts, and I applied to the innerst part 11, then 12, then 13, and then 15. All of them are M-curl, all of them are 0.07 thickness. So this is the way how I worked with narrow eyes, with down-growing lashes, and down-growing outer corner. So this is the best way to achieve open eye and foxy result in the same time with this kind of eyes. After applying patches and putting some tape to the outer corners, I started to work with 15 from the outer corner. I usually never mark my patches because it's pretty much easy to understand where is 75% of your lashes will end. So I have a lot of space where I will put the absolutely same length of eyelashes. So now I'm working only with outer corner toward the center and toward the inner corners. It's pretty much easy to work with my clients' lashes because they are pretty much long and healthy, and if your client have very thin lashes, you need to use as thin lashes as possible. I can even put sometimes 0.1 thickness of eyelashes if I see that your natural lashes is strong and healthy and thick. So you see on my hand two different thickness of eyelashes. The first one is 0.1 and the second one is 0.7. So I usually choose the lash first and then I choose the thickness, which helps me to make safe lash extension and to achieve the best retention. That's why I use different thicknesses, but usually when I use 3D, it has to be really healthy lash. And if I see short baby lash, I can even put the classic 1x1 lash with thickness 0.07, sorry. And if we will use M-curl, which I use for Katya, this effect will help us to achieve foxy effect because we will see this eyeliner laying on her eyes, but still this effect will make open eye effect because this effect will combine eyeliner effect with eyeshadow effect because we will not put any spikes. We will use only open fans. We will use a lot of thin lashes, and this effect will open her eyes and it will look really beautiful. Also, it works for narrow eyes. The best M curl is the best curl for narrow eyes, for hooded eyelids, for downturned eyes. And usually when I work with M curl and if I want to achieve foxy look, I turn the fence toward the templates, not 90-degree angle, just a little more sharp angle. After 30% of my work, I change my drop of glue and keep going with my lash extension. I almost done with my 15th, and I'll be ready to start with inner corners soon. It's pretty much easy to work with my client because her lashes are good and I can put a lot of lashes. Okay, so I'm done. You see how 75% of work and 75% of eyelids looks like. So now I preparing 13, 11, 12s and 14s. Okay, I need to make sure that all of inner corners are ready, brushed, and I applying 12s and 14s at the same time to avoid sticking together. It's pretty much difficult to work in inner corner, especially if our client has hooded eyelids, but we really need to work with each of her natural lashes to achieve natural, good, beautiful result. After 13, after 11s, we will apply 12s and 13s. Okay, this is the result of our work. Lashes before, narrow eyes, downturn, and this is after. Result. Eyes looks beautiful, big, and my client was very happy. This is the way how I created this effect. I use M curl, 0.07 thickness, 75% of the eye from outer corner will be 15 millimeters, and then the rest of the inner part I divided to 4 same parts, and I applied to the innerst part 11, then 12, then 13, and then 15. All of them are M curl, all of them are 0.07 thickness. So this is the way how I worked with narrow eyes, with down growing lashes and down growing outer corner. So this is the best way to achieve open eye and foxy result in the same time with this kind of eyes.